Attention please. We apologise for the delay to the 4:30 p.m. service to Edinburgh. Due to a signalling problem on the tracks, this train is now expected to depart at approximately 5:15 p.m. We are very sorry for any inconvenience this may cause to your journey.
Did you hear that announcement? That is unbelievable. Our train is delayed by 45 minutes already.
Yes, I heard it. This is very frustrating. I have a very important business meeting in Edinburgh at 7 p.m. I cannot afford to be late.
Do you think you will still be able to make it on time? 45 minutes is quite a long delay.
I'm really not sure. The journey normally takes about 2 hours. If we leave at 5:15, I will arrive at 7:15 p.m. instead of 6:30 p.m. That is 15 minutes after my meeting starts.
That is a difficult situation. Is there any way you can take a different train or a faster route?
Let me check my phone for a moment. Wait, there is an alternative route? There is a train that goes via Glasgow. It leaves from platform 2 in just 10 minutes.
But isn't the route through Glasgow much longer? I think it has many more stops.
Yes, it is a longer journey, but because our direct train is so delayed, the Glasgow train might actually arrive at the same time or even earlier.
That is a good point, but can you use your current ticket for a different route? Some tickets are only for specific trains.
That is exactly what I'm worried about. I have an advance ticket. I will go to the information desk right now and ask the staff if my ticket is valid for the Glasgow train because of this delay. Usually, when there is a big delay, they let you use any train.
That is a very good idea. You should hurry, because you only have a few minutes before that train leaves. Do you need any help with your bags?
No, I only have this small briefcase, thank you. If the staff says yes, I will run to platform 2.
I really hope you make your meeting on time. It is a lot of stress, but I think you can still make it.
Thank you, I appreciate your support. Good luck with your journey as well. I hope your train doesn't get any more delays.
Thanks. Have a safe trip.